SOLIDWORKS CAM delivers fully integrated, knowledge-based CNC programming right inside SOLIDWORKS. SOLIDWORKS CAM generates machining information fast, using automatic feature recognition. Standard operations and strategies defined with your own best practices, including step over, cut depth, tool type, and size, are instantly applied to the model, freeing up your time to focus on critical areas of the part. At any time, additional machining operations can be manually created using the SOLIDWORKS model geometry. Faces to machine and areas to avoid can be defined using the comprehensive suite of selection options, eliminating the need to create additional reference geometry on the part. Using SOLIDWORKS CAM's powerful simulation capabilities, cutter paths can be previewed and compared against the original model, helping you identify any potential problems or areas requiring further refinement long before the physical part is machined. Any changes made to the SOLIDWORKS design can be instantly applied to your machining operations and cutter paths, making it quick and easy to evaluate parts for manufacture much earlier in development. SOLIDWORKS CAM delivers powerful knowledge-based CNC programming for part and assembly, milling, and turning that provides a single integrated solution from design to manufacture.